Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create and edit your author profile in Squarespace. So this is useful if you run a blog and you want to show your name, your photos and bios on your posts. So first of all, you need to come here on squarespace.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you are on the dashboard of Squarespace, it is going to show you the website that you have previously created. So here, if you are in the website preview mode, you just have to look for your profile icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now, if you are outside of it, you just have to click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. You can also click on the option of account settings, then go to the option of profile. Now it is going to show you your profile in front of you, where you can just start editing and creating your profile. Like you need to edit your image of your profile, edit your profile info and name. After that, add customization like your display name, add website and a bio. Once you are done, simply click on the option of save, and then all of your changes will be saved. So whenever you add any of the information on your website, you are going to see your author's profile. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.